Hi everyone, this is Bhanu from bhanustuff.blogspot.in, and just like I did in my previous video in which I spoke about what courses and career options are available for a bachelor's in commerce field after your 12th commerce. So in this video I will try to explain about the various courses available for a arts degree, like if you are not that much interested in mathematics and if you want to go to pursue some other courses which doesn't need much mathematics skills, then this video is the right guide. This will give you a glimpse of the courses available in arts section. So let's see the part in which arts basically involves. So in arts we can basically speak about three variants of the courses. Like it's called bachelor's of arts, which is termed as BA, and there are some courses which are related to design also, and other courses which are related to management in which little of mathematics are involved. So let's see the first part of arts course, which is called BA. So as you can see, there are a lot of courses which are available under BA category. So Bachelor of Arts is basically a bachelor's course, and the main stream of which is related to literature, in which you will be made to study a specific language. Like for example, if you take the course of BA English, in which you will be exclusively studying about English. Like that, there are all the other literature languages like Hindi, Sanskrit, and some other related courses like Islamic studies and Urdu, and all other state level languages which are restricted to that state. So these courses will help you study in that, and after which you can take MA course like Masters of Arts to pursue. And there are other courses like Sahitya, which relates to the arts and the skills of human. And also there are foreign language courses like Russian, Japanese, and Chinese. All these languages which would help you teach in pursue teaching positions. So and also there are courses for economics. Economics is basically which deals with the process of a business, like the incoming input of the business output, and the relation of human and manpower in the business. So this study deals is what is dealt in economics. And you can also find BA courses in history, geography in the sense like you must have learnt in 10th, that geography is like study of the nature and the geographical features of the earth and the atmosphere, and different layers on atmosphere, etc. And you have courses on political science also, which deals with the political structure of the Indian constitution, and other related political sciences. So you have the sociology subject also, which is the art of, which is the subject which deals with the social phenomena of human, like how they are interacted, how they are correlated, how humans evolve, something like that. Philosophy is a different course, which is like a basic course which will help you develop the human nature and the human evolvement, that kind of course. And you have other type of courses like poetry, writing, and acting, which helps you pursue career in film industry. And also some other courses like human rights and education. Human rights in the sense like we as humans have rights to do something, like we have right to talk, speak. So these are the constitutional phenomena, that kind of rights we can study in this course. And we have also study on theology, the study of God and the ethics of God system, and faith systems. So that course is there. Cosmetic technology is one design related course, in which you will be dealing with cosmetics and all, as you can see in any healthcare industry. And apart from BA literature course, you have what you call BEd. This is nothing but bachelor's of education, where you will be given some specific stream, and in that you will be made to master. And once you do BEd, you are eligible to take career in teaching positions like school and college teachers, something like that. So but a B.Ed might not take you to the position of a professor or assistant professor in university and IITs. This is just basic teaching level in schools. So just remember this. So accounts, like you say, like you see, like you have seen in B-commerce, accounts is like for every business, there will be inputs to the business. Like you will put some money in that. It's called cost, and you will get some revenue, and you will also earn some profit. So these transactions, how you are putting it on paper, that's called account system. So this is purely like commerce system, commerce related. And you have courses for visual impairment, hearing impaired, like visual impairment in the sense like someone who cannot see, the who is blind. So how you are going to teach a blind person? So that course is called it comes under B.Ed. And you have course for hearing impairment, like study if he is deaf and he cannot hear, and how you are going to teach him, that's one course. And there are course for commerce also, commerce in the sense like a basic overview of the commerce, different streams. You have course for computer related sciences, economics, and for educating the handicapped, how to teach them, etc. And there are other languages course, like we have seen in the literature. We have biological sciences, history, home science. Home science is nothing but the science of home, like how to lead a happy life, how to make relations, etc. So this is one subject which most people prefer, home science. And this course called information technology, which deals with the programming and hardware, related to computer science, which is very hot now. So you can pursue information technology if you are good in logic, if you are good in analytical skills, if you have that aptitude kind of nature. So you have also course for mathematics, natural science, physical education. Physical education means like you have seen trainers in gym, and some physical, like sports trainers, etc. So those trainers will come under this education system called physical education. And you have social science, special education, child development education, some, etc. So these are all the variants of B.Ed, bachelor's in education. So you have other courses like bachelor of elementary education, LLB. LLB stands for lawyer course, which is like which will help you pursue career in lawyer as well as high court judge kind of career. And you have physical education, just like I mentioned. So there's one thing called honors, just like I mentioned in commerce BCom video. So honors is course specialization which is the grade of which is higher than regular BA. So if you do this, it's like more practical oriented and has more value than regular BA. So BA honors almost covers all the courses I have shown above. Apart from that, you have some other courses like humanities and social sciences, social work, which are related to social, human, involvement, human development, and developmental studies, something like that. So which is mostly related to humans, and social works. And you have some other courses other than this literature and educational courses, like rural development, how to implement, how to make strategies for the development of rural part, because technology is there but technology is not growing in is not being taken to village and rural parts. So how do you deal with that? How do you strategize the growth of the rural part? So that course is called rural development. You have social work. Social work is like whatever you do good for the society, like helping someone, helping the disabled and old people, helping people for their education, etc. So this all comes in social work. So this study is also there. You have just like mentioned, visual impairment in the above. So you have course on statistics also. Statistics is a course which slightly involves mathematics, but it has very good future, because most of this day and the current and future of the computer science is mostly related on statistics only. So if you do that, if you can bear a little of mathematics, then you can take this course. And you have course on computer science, home science, and just like I mentioned, political science, archaeology. Archaeology is a very good course. Like you must have seen several findings, like world structures, world temples, and forts which have been dug from the earth, they have been buried because of time, and these guys, archaeology people, will unearth them by digging and finding them carefully. So let's study on that, like how to find them, how to identify the materials, how to do the carbon dating thing. Carbon dating means tells the age of that structure, etc., whatever it is. So this study will comes under archaeology, which is also very good. Very few people take this. You can possibly go for this. And anthropology is a mix of subjects, like it mostly deals with the human, social, cultural, and aspects of a human, like human aspects which involves cultural, religious, and several parts related to humans. So this is also very good course. And you have course for women studies, and there are several courses for that let you take into military, and you got defense and strategic studies also there. Foreign trade is one course which deals with the trade between foreign and India, like exchange of goods, and some certain terminologies, and the procedures involved, etc. That kind of studies is involved in foreign trade. If you do this, you can be posted in any seaports, or even airports or something like that. So there is called media tech, museology, the study of museum, the management of museum, etc. And you have course for cinematography also, which will help you get career options in the cinema, where you will be getting the skills of making a film, and how to direct the photography, etc. So there are some social works also, like child welfare, social studies, and these three courses are more related to more of kind of a single kind. It's called mass media, journalism, and mass communications. So journalism, as you might be aware of, like you must have seen in movies, TVs, and news channels, where people will search for news, you search for some findings. So these studies, like how do you get the news, so how to tackle the news, how to speak with them, how do you manage people, manage media, manage the officials, etc. So this will come journalism. So journalism has these two fields: media, mass communication. Mass communication means if you have some piece of information, piece of news, so how you are spreading it to wide group, like to how we are making it popular, more popular, by spreading it to as many people as possible. The more you spread, the more you have advantage. So this study comes under mass communication. Similar is mass media, so which also you will find it very helpful for your as a career. So these three are related. Mass communication is different from mass media and journalism. Mass communication means like you get some news, you get some information. So how you are communicating with mass, like several people, like how you are making it spread to more people. So that's called mass communication. The more you are spreading the data, the more you have very good appreciation from your journalist company. So that study is called mass communication. Just like that, mass media, like sharing of information, just like I mentioned, how to get information from other media people, other persons, like online, like from other channels, etc. So this comes under mass media. So similarly, we have courses for psychology. Psychology means like how you understand the mind of people, how you read the people of phase of mind, phase of people, so that you can tackle their problems, they can to tackle their worries, etc. And how you can guide them properly based on their requirements, based on their interests, etc. So like career counseling is also a kind of psychology. So this study will come under psychology. So you have other courses like tourism, bachelor of ministry, which deals with the ministerial functions in a government, and missions, like bachelors of missions, which is with like some social kind of related bachelors. So you have several management courses which I have shown here. So which we have already spoken about in BCom courses. So you have hotel management. How do you manage the hotel functions? Like how do you give aesthetic feel to the visitors, etc. So this will come under hotel management. Event management is like you know like I mentioned above, you have some events going on, so how do you organize everything? So just like that, office management is there. Secretarial practices, like every business will have some boss kind of head. So for them, how you are assisting them, so what steps you are taking them, how you are scheduling their meetings, etc. This comes under secretarial practices. Marketing is like I think I have mentioned about this, like you have some product, so how do you are spreading it to many people, how do you are making it making people purchase them. So that comes from marketing and advertising, like the way you advertise, the way you make them convince to to what you call purchase them more. It's called marketing skills. So those studies will come under marketing, retail, advertisement, and commercial practices. And you have public relations and public administration course, which deals with how to deal with public, as the name says. Deal in the sense like how to interact with them, communicate with them, as a strategic, what are the strategies involved, and it's also like a media kind of thing. And you have all other management courses like hospitality in the sense like if you go to say any hotel, so the attendee, like how politely is dealing with your issues, how he is like providing comfort to you in the sense of providing arrangements, providing your needs, etc. This is called hospitality. So every restaurant or law hotel or whatever it is, so they need a hospitality team to take care of their rich customers. And you have air hostess, which is also a part of hospitality, like when you fly in air, so there will be some attendees, so who will take care of your necessities, like providing food and solving your any travel issues. So this is called air hostess work. So mostly women try to go into this studies. And there are also studies like travel and tourism, like I mentioned, banking and insurance management courses. And you have chef kind of course also, which like if you are good in making some preparing some dishes, like spicy, like recipes, then you can make a career as a chef, and you can professionally work in a very good restaurants and as well as hotels, big 5-star hotels. And you can also go for catering management course, which like just like event, so you need catering services like food supply, material supply, etc. So human resources, I have explained at length, it's all about managing people, like every business, how do you procure people, how to train them, how do you make them work as per your needs. This is called human resources. And entrepreneurship is like if you want to build a business by your own, if you have a company, so what are the business strategies you are employing, like how do you utilize the money properly, how do you get revenue out of them. So this all comes under entrepreneurship, which is a self employment kind of thing, like I mentioned in BCom. So we'll see some design related courses. So major design related courses, BDAS, which is very is kind of new to the field, which is new to the industry. So BDAS is like Bachelors of Design, which offers design courses, which might be a general course or a specific like fashion, product design, interface, visual communication. So these terms I hope you know. Visual communication deal with like making of logos, posters for spreading awareness. Product is like how to you design a product outer looks like. If you are holding a water bottle, so water bottle design what it should be to have a proper proper feel of hold, proper grip, etc. So like that you have several interface design, like user interface, something like that. So usually BDAS is very usually a costly course compared to all other arts courses. And it's usually provided by some top institutes in India. And there are separate entrances for this also, you can see in internet. So like BDAS, there are other art courses which are very cheaper than this one, in the sense cheaper in the sense in terms of fees, but they have not that much career options, but fine. But it's good for someone who is looking for a basic career options. So fine arts has several fields like It gives a course on Bachelor's of Fine Arts, which can be on drawing and painting, digital graphic. Digital graphic means like graphical artworks on digital media, like say you have laptop, you have desktop computer, and you work on tablet, iPad or whatever. So this graphics comes on digital things. And you have several others like mural is like painting on walls, like big paintings on walls. So those courses are also there. Sculpture is like you must have seen idols in temples or any historical places, like you must have visited some forts. So where you see the sculptural thing, beautiful sculptures, so those courses are also called sculpture. And you have interior design, in which it's more of civil kind of thing, in which like if say I give a room, so how do you design the interiors, like interior in the sense like chairs, benches, how do you organize them, arrange them, and make them feel aesthetically good, like visually it is good. That comes under interior design. And you have courses for textile. Textile is like making of clothes and garments, like the patterns on top of that, graphic patterns on top of that, that is called textile design. And you have other courses like animation, multimedia. So you must have seen the cartoons, animation movies like Kung Fu Panda, something like that. So you see how they are, those animations are moving, how you're dealing with that technology. This comes under VFX, multimedia, animation and all. It's a very good course. It has very good future also. And you have several other future courses like digital filmmaking, photography. Photography is also art, so you can do some course on that to become professional photography. And you have courses for game design also. Game design doesn't mean that you have to design like you have to code and all, like program and all, like the computer science people do. So this is like designing the ambience, like the environment of the game, and the persons in like if say some person is fighting in the fire in the game, so that person design and his weapon design and his garment design, what these are all comes under game design. And you have course for sound recording also. You must have seen DJs, and for big like for music directors also use this sound recording technology. And you have other courses like media and communication design. Both are mostly related to design and communication. So apart from that, you have this course called Bachelors of Performing Arts. So it is called BPA. It's like just like fine arts. So this arts course gives a specialization in multiple variants like music, dance, singing, vocal, and several others, applied arts also. So these are some of the design courses available under Bachelors of Arts. So apart from having management and B Arts, so in the next video we will see what are the science courses available as bachelors, just like in BTech, BE, BSc courses. We will see what are the options available for you. Fine. Bye for now.